Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Igbe here. I hope everyone is doing well. I hope you're having a fantastic day. I am back with new remote job leads, and in this video we are going to be exploring opportunities with Target. We also have other opportunities with Cornell as well, data entry, kind of documentation style type of roles. So let's dive right in. Before we do that, I want to take some time to encourage you. If you are a subscriber and you don't have that notification bell on, you are not going to be notified real time. So please go ahead and turn that notification bell on so you're notified as soon as these videos with unique leads go up. Also, I want to encourage each and every one of you, please go ahead and share this video with your family members and friends, your social media platforms. Really important, trying to get to 5,000 subscribers before September. Really appreciate you guys. All right, so the first opportunity we're going to be exploring is with Target. So Target is looking for a sales analyst. This is a full-time opportunity, and you can decide to be fully remote or hybrid. So depending on where you're located, you can decide to do a hybrid setup where you go in some days and work from home some days, or decide to do a full-time and be fully remote working from home. This opportunity, the salary is between $53,700 and $96,700 per year. That is the salary. As a sales analyst, it talks about what you're going to be responsible for: managing, maintaining sales record systems. So really Salesforce is what this opportunity is going to be surrounding. So the use of that system. Talks about Workfront as well. So Workfront is another documentation system that helps with tracking workload, workflow, projects, and so forth. It goes further to talk about essential for this individual to enter accurate data information in a timely manner. Obviously, we've talked about documentation as well already, so it makes sense why data entry, accuracy, and timeliness is essential for this job. What are the requirements? What are the expectations? They're asking for 4-year college degree in business or marketing, 2+ years of experience in client services or finance and billing related type of roles, excellent communication, relationship building skills, ability to thrive in an ambiguous environment, strong critical thinking abilities, superior time management, multitasking, and so forth. And it talks about proficiency in Microsoft Office products. You have Excel, you have Word, you have Outlook, PowerPoint. All of these are all products or processes that are essential to be successful for this job. The next opportunity is with SSM Health. So SSM Health is looking for a clinical data abstractor specialist. Again, clinical data abstractor specialist. This is a fully remote opportunity. It is a day shift. With this opportunity, you must reside in one of the following states to be eligible. It talks about Illinois, Florida, Georgia, Iowa, Kansas, Kentucky, and so forth. So a lot of states are on here. You need to reside in one of these states to be eligible. What are your responsibilities? This individual is going to be taking information from medical records while following different governing body rules, is providing support to internal team members, vendors, making sure that the data is accurate, making sure that submissions to different requests are being done in a timely manner. Also, this individual is going to be focused on analyzing different issues that results from data entries. The education requirement is a bachelor's degree or equivalent education and experience. So if you do not have a bachelor's degree, as long as you have 4+ years experience, you should be good to go. So definitely keep that in mind. And then 1-year experience in healthcare related field. This is a United States fully remote opportunity. Nothing outside of the US is available with this organization at this time. So go ahead and submit your application if this role is of interest to you. All right, so the next opportunity we're going to be exploring is with Cornell. Cornell Medicine is looking for a revenue cycle specialist. This is a fully remote opportunity, and the salary range is between $29.15 and up to $38.96 per hour. With this opportunity, your education requirement is high school diploma or GED, and it talks about some of the functions like responsibilities. You're going to be performing follow-up to investigate, resolve payment denial trends, making sure that policies are being followed, making sure that training are current, especially from new employees' perspective, preparing letters for appeal to insurance carriers for claims that were not paid or paid inaccurately, and so forth. Approximately 3 to 5 years of medical billing experience is what they're looking for. They do talk about knowledge of third-party reimbursement, talk about medical terminology, and some prior experience with electronic medical record systems, Microsoft Excel, being a critical thinker, somebody who's very analytical in nature. That's important because you are going to be performing a lot of analytics on different issues or different data points as a result of trends that are being established pertaining to an issue. This is important for this role. Just keep that in mind, especially if you have any of these experience in the past. So if you have done any of this in any capacity, ensure to record it in your resume so that you can give yourself the very best shot. The next opportunity we're going to be exploring is titled Legal Document Specialist, and this opportunity is 4 p.m. to 12:30 a.m. Pacific time. So I wanted to make sure that I called that out because I know sometimes people are looking for opportunities that are later in the afternoon into the 9 hours. So this will be for those type of people, Monday through Friday, 4 p.m. to 12:30 a.m. Pacific time zone. You are going to be creating, editing, helping to format legal documents from different software applications, so different databases, creating charts, graphs, tables to sort of analyze those data points. Also helping to provide telephonic help desk support to help troubleshoot different queries that come in, especially pertaining to software applications. So qualifications, they are looking for a typing speed of 60 words per minute. That is important. And this opportunity is going to pay about $19 per hour. The next role is with Envista. Envista is looking for accounts receivable clerk. This is a fully remote opportunity. You just need to reside in the US to qualify. With this opportunity, you are going to be focusing on different accounts, cash management, reconciling those accounts, and making sure at the end of the month there is a closure. And if there's any negative carrying over into the next month, that is being tracked accurately. They're asking for you to be able to perform the job satisfactorily. They are looking for this individual to have knowledge around calculating different discount, interest, commissions, percentages, being able to do some fractions and so forth. Ability to use 10-key calculator by touch, and also talks about having some basic understanding of financial accounting principles and statements, being able to use Microsoft Word, Excel, Outlook. All of that are essential for this opportunity. They need high school diploma or GED. So, and a minimum of 3+ years in accounts receivable or entry-level bookkeeping type of skills. Salary range is between $20.50 and up to $23.50 per hour. That is the salary range. The last opportunity is with Advantage Solutions. Advantage Solutions is looking for a specialist order to cash fully remote opportunity, and the salary for this opportunity is $16 per hour. With this role, you are going to be getting the full benefits because it's a full-time opportunity. Medical, dental, vision, 401k that will be matched by the organization. And then it talks about the responsibilities. You are going to be processing orders, deductions, creating contracts, working with different departments to resolve different issues that come up. They're asking for associate's degree or equivalent office experience. In addition, they want 1 to 3 years of experience in customer service, someone who is proficient in Microsoft Office with a focus on Excel. This position is going to really be focusing on claims, different deductions, and different accounts receivable type of work, really making sure that everything in terms of payments that come in are being reconciled to allow for closure of any type of payment plans or issues of payments that exist. Definitely go ahead and hit the apply button and go through the application process. So those are the opportunities, guys. I hope you find these leads helpful. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you've not subscribed already, and turn your notification bell on so you get notified when I do post new videos. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Till next time, best of luck to you as you apply. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.